In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Notebook LM for an efficient literature review. First things first, let's navigate to Google's homepage in your web browser. Once there, type Notebook LM into the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up a list of results, and you'll want to click on the official Notebook LM website. You'll find it at the top of the search results. Now, let's move to the next page, and if it's your first time, look for an option that says Try Notebook LM. Go ahead and click on it. This step is crucial to get into the heart of the program. Now that you're in, you will see an option to create new. Select this to start a fresh literature review project. This will open up a workspace where you can begin bringing in your materials. Up next, you'll want to look for the Upload Sources button within your newly created project. Click on it, and then it's time to select your sources. You can upload various formats like PDF documents, Word files, or even directly input references from academic databases. Make sure you have your source files organized and ready to go to streamline this process. With the documents uploaded, it's time to put Notebook LM's AI capabilities to work. Start by typing a prompt. For example, you might want to ask, summarize the methodology used across all qualitative studies. This allows Notebook LM to analyze content specifically related to your query. After entering your prompt, simply click the arrow forward or hit the Submit button and let the AI do its magic. Once you've got your initial summaries, it's beneficial to dig deeper. Let's generate section summaries next, perhaps by typing a more intricate prompt like, create a summary table comparing sample size, populations, and key findings of all RCTs. In each of these steps, remember to click Submit so that Notebook LM can generate the detailed responses you're looking for. You're doing great up to this point. Now, consider building a literature map. This visual component is powerful for understanding how different studies connect to your topics of interest. Try using a prompt such as, create a concept map showing how these studies connect to topic A, topic B, and topic C. Once again, hit that Submit button to generate the map. After you have your map, attention next turns to creating an annotated bibliography. Use Notebook LM to automate this by entering a command like generate an annotated bibliography in APA style for all uploaded sources, including key contributions and limitations. Click Submit, and it'll be compiled for you in a format ready for your references section. Finally, for drafting your literature review, make full use of the Notes feature. Encourage synthesis writing by entering an idea like, combine these themes into a coherent literature review paragraph with proper academic tone. Cite authors contextually. After inputting your prompt, click Submit, and Notebook LM will pull all these strands together into a draft suitable for further editing and refinement. And there you have it, a seamless workflow using Google Notebook LM to maximize efficiency in your literature review process. Thanks for watching, and happy reviewing!